Sia Mei Yen from the Faculty of Science with a talk, A Ball, a Bola, or a Toy, Word Learning in Children.
Imagine children with learning difficulties, but no one helps them, and as they grow up, they are labeled as slow, or worse still, stupid. A typical sad story, isn't it? Nowadays, there are many therapists around to help these children, and psycholinguists like us provide new information to the therapists. If you know more about how children without learning difficulties learn languages, we can then help those with language difficulties. For many years, researchers have established a theory that children learn words by matching a new word to a new object, because they learn only one word for each object. A ball cannot be a bear, and vice versa. The problem is, these can also be known as toys. Here, I ask my first question. How do children learn these other related words? Besides, a bilingual has to learn two words for each object, one in each language. For example, in English we say a ball, but in Malay we say bola. Now, I ask my second question. How do bilinguals learn words from two languages? To answer these two questions, I had primary school children who are either monolinguals or bilinguals to play a fun game of match the picture to the word on an iPad, and then I compared their performance. I found that a simple learning mechanism called cross-situational statistical learning can explain the learning pattern of both monolinguals and bilinguals. It is called cross-situational because it is about learning over multiple times and situations. Statistical because it is about how often a word is heard when an object is present. Therefore, cross-situational statistical learning argues that as long as the objects are present when the word is heard, children will be able to learn that the objects are the meanings of the word. So, if you ever ask a child, which one of these is a toy, they will exclaim, both. To return to my two questions, if, according to the established theory, children really do learn one word for each object, first, how do they learn these other related words? Second, how do bilinguals learn words from two languages? The answer is through repetition. What is the impact of my research, you may ask? My research has refined the established theory on word learning, and I found that word learning is far more complex than just matching a new word to a new object. And when we truly understand how exactly children learn words, we can then help them better, helping them with learning difficulties.